Buying a second-hand car can save you hundreds of thousands of pesos. Pero kung hindi ka maingat, pwede rin itong maging isa sa pinakamalaking financial mistakes mo. Hidden accident damage, flooded vehicles, tampered mileage, at unexpected repair costs. Ilan lang yan sa mga pwedeng ma-encounter. The good news is, most of these problems are avoidable. Basta alam mo kung ano ang dapat mong i-check bago bumili ha. Kung nagbabalak kang bumili ng second-hand car, this series is designed to help you make smarter decisions with practical and honest advice. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin ng 10 important tips na dapat mong malaman bago ka bumili ng second-hand car. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, know what you need. Bago ka bumili ng sasakyan, dapat alam mo muna kung saan mo ba talaga siya gagamitin. Daily use ba? Pang family car? Pang business? Or weekend trips ba? Kapag alam mo ang purpose ng sasakyan, mas madali kang makakapili ng model na swak sa needs at budget mo. Tip number 2, set your budget. Set a realistic budget. Hindi lang kasi presyo ng sasakyan ang dapat mong isipin. Consider mo rin ang registration, insurance, maintenance, at fuel expenses. Mas okay na bumili ng sasakyan na kaya mong i-maintain in the long run. Tip number 3, research the car. Before making a decision, do your research. Watch YouTube reviews, join owner groups at basahin ang experiences ng ibang owners. Makakatulong ito para malaman mo ang common issues, maintenance cost, at overall reliability ng model na gusto mo. Tip number 4, inspect the exterior. Ngayon naman, let's inspect the exterior. Check the paint, panel gaps, at kung may dents o signs ng repaint. Tignan din kung may kalawang o rust, lalo na sa ilalim at paligid ng doors. Minsan, dito pa lang may makikita ka ng clues kung naaksidente na ang sasakyan. Tip number 5, inspect the interior. Inspect the interior. Subukan mo lahat ng buttons, aircon, power windows, at infotainment system. Check mo rin ang seats, dashboard, at kung may unusual smell sa loob. A musty or moldy smell could be a sign na na-flood ang sasakyan. Tip number 6, isa ito sa pinaka-importanteng part. Always check the engine. Hindi mo kailangang maging mechanic, pero magandang alam mo ang basic checks. Inspect the engine oil, coolant, battery, at belts. Then, start the engine and listen for unusual sounds. Check mo rin kung may usok na lumalabas sa tambutso. Tip number 7, never skip the test drive. Habang nagde-drive ka, observe kung smooth ang acceleration, braking, at steering. Pakinggan kung may kakaibang tunog at tignan kung may warning lights sa dashboards. Tip number 8, don't forget to verify the documents. Check the ORCR, chassis number, at engine number. Siguraduhin mong lahat ng details ay nagtutugma. Tip number 9, if possible, always ask for the vehicle maintenance record. Like this one. Mas okay kung may service records at resibo ng previous maintenance. Makakatulong ito para malaman mo kung paano inalagaan ang sasakyan. Lastly, tip number 10, buy from a trusted seller. Choose someone who is transparent, willing magpa-inspect, at may magandang reputation. Remember, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in peace of mind. Here's a bonus tip. Never let anyone pressure you into buying ha. Kung hindi ka pa sure, okay lang mag-walk away. Mas mabuti nang maghintay ng tamang unit kaysa magsisi sa huli. Here at Manila Auto Display, every vehicle goes through an inspection before it is offered for sale. We believe that buying a pre-owned car should be a confident and a hassle-free experience. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod naming episodes. Our goal is simple, to help every Filipino become a smart car buyer. So kung may questions ka about buying a second-hand car, leave them in the comments below. Baka yun ang maging topic natin sa next episode. I'm Ella, and thank you for watching. See you in the next episode in Manila Auto Display.